a shout of victory as Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer gives reason why Nnamdi Kanu can be released now. My people, yes, so now waiting we want to the year be that very shout of victory, and I believe me, it has finally come. Nnamdi Kanu will be released whether they like it or not. Take it or leave it. Let's check the content. This is today's news. It's a shout of victory as the IPOP leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is finally given his freedom. The lawyer to the IPOP leader Aloy Ejimako, who gave this very assertion, has said the court has agreed to set Nnamdi Kanu free after going through all conditions and negotiations agreed upon by the IPOP leader. Nnamdi Kanu, who gave his words and also signed all necessary conditions put up for him by the court, has agreed to abide to all terms given by the federal government of Nigeria as approved by the AGF Fagbemi of the Federation. Nnamdi Kanu will be free after putting down all necessary agreements and also agreeing to the federal government of Nigeria's rule of law. He has been set free already by the Supreme Court in 2022, and now he has also attained another freedom by the federal government of Nigeria. Celebrate Biafrans. The IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu is back, Ejimako exclaimed. Thank you so much, my people. It is a pleasure reaching out to you once again. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Aloy Ejimako, is the one bringing this to your hearing, telling you, make una celebrate, make una no worry again, make una no shake anymore because already Nnamdi Kanu is coming back home. Why? Because the court itself has already agreed to all the terms and conditions. And Nnamdi Kanu himself has, placed his hand on book. He has placed his hand on book. He has agreed. He said that I agree that there will no longer be violence or unnecessary killings in the southeast or in Nigeria. My people, in fact, this is a shout of victory as Ejimako rightly said. But uh, what everyone is waiting for is that very freedom for the IPOP leader. Let's see him out of that very detention. Then we can now know that yes, that they have really kept to their word. Happy? Oh, that is what everyone is saying. Okay, there. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.